Installing the Easy Car Seat in your car. You can customize the height of the seatbelt strap according to the height of the child. Easy Car Seat is better than a booster seat because it has a full back which provides better support for your child's upper body. This is important so that when the child falls asleep, the seatbelt will not cut into his or her neck. It adds to the comfort and safety of the child during transport. Easy Car Seat is designed for children 15 kilos and up. It uses the standard built-in 3-point safety seat belt. Easy Car Seat can be used on either the right or left-hand side of your car. Although in this video we only show 2 seats being installed, it is possible to install 3 of them in a single row. Easy Car Seat fully complies with EU and USA vehicle safety standards, UN ECE R4404 and USA FM VSS 213, production quality standards ISO 9001 and ISO 14001.